Anushka Sarkar. Well, let's get also take a look at how the markets fared overnight on Wall Street. The Dow Stock Index and Nasdaq Composite, they added about 0.2%, whereas the broad market S&P 500 added nearly 0.4%. It was nearing its all-time high that it reached in February. It's just less than 2% off that level. All three indexes are on their way to launch the third consecutive week of positive gains. However, U.S. stock futures, they slid last night as tensions in the Middle East are worsening. Now, stock futures fell as Israel's defense minister declared a special state of emergency following an Israeli attack on Iran. Now, two U.S. officials said that there is no U.S. involvement or assistance. Now, following these tensions in the Middle East, Brent futures also spiked over 1% to around that $73 per barrel level this morning. If you look at Asia markets, it's also sea of red with the reports of Israeli military strike on Iran, which is keeping investors jittery despite the decent gains that we saw on Wall Street overnight. Most stocks were in the red, with Japan's Nikkei leading the losses with cuts of over 1%. China's Shanghai also in the red, trading with cuts of about 0.5%. So was Hang Seng trading almost 0.5% lower. Only Kospi was trading in the green. Now back home, the Nifty did give up that 24,900 level yesterday, with major declines coming in the last hour of trading. However, as of now, the implied open suggests a gap down start with cuts of more than 200 points. But moving on, let's also talk more about the situation